Hey everyone, Zane with you, and welcome back to the channel. If you are a freelancer wondering whether Toptal is worth your time in 2025, stick around. I'll break down the pros, the cons, and my honest experience so you can decide if it is the right fit for you or not. What is Toptal? For those new to it, Toptal is a high-end freelance platform that connects top-tier freelancers with big clients like Airbnb, Shopify, and Duolingo. It is known for its rigorous screening process, which they say allows only the top 3% of applicants in tech, design, finance, and project management. The application process. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Getting in. TopTal's application process in 2025 is still tough. It includes number one, language and communication test, skill specific tests, live screening, and sometimes a test project. It took me around 2 to 3 weeks to complete everything. If you do not have strong experience, especially in remote or international projects, it's going to be very hard to get in. Pros of TopTal. Now, here's what I liked once I got in. Number one, high quality clients. I worked with startups and Fortune 500s, and the budgets were solid. Consistent work. Once you are in, the jobs keep going. No endless bidding wars. Good rates. You set your own hourly rate, and TopTal doesn't push you to undercut. Great support. The TopTal talent managers and community are surprisingly active and helpful. Cons. Now, all of us know that nothing is perfect. A few things to watch out for. Number one, hard to get in, as I mentioned before. The barrier to entry is very high. Even seasoned freelancers can get rejected. Not ideal for beginners. If you are just starting out, this is probably not the platform for you. You may want to try another thing like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or anything else. Limited project control. Sometimes you are matched with a client, but you do not get to browse freely like on Upwork or Fiverr. Inactivity penalty. If you do not stay active, TopTal may pose your visibility to clients. So keep that in mind. My experience. In my personal experience, TopTal delivered what it promised. I got connected with great clients, was paid well, and didn't have to hustle for every gig. However, I had to prove myself constantly. Clients expect a lot from you because they are paying premium rates. It's rewarding, but stressful if you are not used to high pressure environments. Conclusion. So, is TopTal worth it in 2025 as a freelancer? If you are experienced, speak great English, and can showcase a strong portfolio, absolutely, this is your own way. And I advise you to go ahead and try to set yourself in. But if you are new or prefer creative freedom and casual clients, maybe look elsewhere first. You can see, as I mentioned, Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and so on. For me, it was a solid platform to grow professionally and financially. And that is it for our today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new review.